Hi guys! Welcome back to K Seafood Pavilion. I'm your host Danny.
And I'm your host Rachel.
Hi guys, welcome. Today we're going to introduce some traditional Korean snacks. We actually it's a very familiar and popular snack and side dish in Korea. Yeah, this brand is from Cheongsan에, and the one I'm holding is almond flavor.
Ooh, are we starting from almond flavor?
So the almond is in the middle, as you can see here. 2 layers, and there are almonds in the middle, and there's also sesame seed.
Let me break it in half first. Ooh, oh wow. Can you see what's inside?
It's crispy, it's a little bit of flavor, it's not too much. Oh my god, no, this is so good, for real, I'm not even joking.
And there are sesame seeds in the middle, so it's not only savory, it also adds that deep flavorful taste.
Yeah, it's so flavorful. Actually, it's very packed with the almonds and the sesame seed. I'm really surprised how crispy it is. For the whole bag, it's only 146 calories. That's not a lot.
This one is brown rice flavor.
Brown rice. Brown rice one is also crispy and savory, but this one is baked. It's so crispy. It's like chips.
Wow, look inside.
Yeah, it also has sesame seeds and brown rice. Oh wow, this tastes so good. How many calories is this also? This actually has lower calorie.
Ooh.
It's 122.6 calories. Can you hear it? The next one is called Tapasa. It's a non-fried, high-density seaweed with real whole grain, and they grilled it 4 times.
Okay, 4 times. Look at that. It's smaller.
It's smaller.
Piece is
it's
smaller.
1 bite.
Yeah. So 1 bite, let's go in. It's less sweet, less savory. Yeah, the flavor is more powerful than before.
Because this one, it has no MSG and it doesn't have any chemical additives.
Oh, okay.
So it's a natural, and there's no oil, it's not oil fried, it's grilled 4 times. Oh, that's why. Since it's grilled 4 times, I think that brings out the flavor more. But this is so interesting. What food comes to your mind when you think of Korea?
Okay, do I have... The answer is...
What food?
Kimchi!
Kimchi, right?
Ding, ding, ding!
It's a kimchi flavor.
Oh, kimchi flavor!
Seaweed is such a popular side dish in Korea, and kimchi, of course, is one of the... It's the most famous.
Wait, can I do the smell test?
Oh yeah, you can.
Okay.
It has a...
Spicy looking sprinkled powder on it.
Oh, you can see there are little red sprinkles. I think that brings the kimchi flavor. It does taste like kimchi. This is so funny. So funny, right?
Hey, it tastes like kimchi ramen.
Yeah, right? Let's say you're on a picnic and you can't make a mess and you couldn't bring kimchi. You just need this because it has the kimchi flavor. So with the rice, I think it would be a perfect combination.
It's pretty spicy.
Is it?
I just had one.
Okay, for me it's just a hint of spicy, but this is very subjective.
But it does leave that spiciness into your mouth.
For those who can't eat spicy, they have a different one. We have a different one. This one is barley sprout soy sauce flavor. And there's no oil or salt. It's just soy sauce and barley sprout.
No savory.
You can actually use it in so many different situations. You can have it as a snack, but also it goes well with rice and those rice bowls.
Yeah.
Rice bowls, it would be really nice to have rice bowls or the mini gimbaps. It's something I'm familiar with, something that I actually have everyday life. So it's really nice to try these different products, and I hope you guys can try it also because it tastes really good.
It comes with so many different flavors: almond, brown rice, kimchi, and barley.
So you can just choose one according to your taste. If you like spicy, you can go for the kimchi one. You can, if you like savory, you can go for these ones. So there's so many to choose from. Thanks for watching and cheers!
Thank you!
Cheers!
Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Join us next time.